Hello and welcome to another update video about Algorand. Algorand is continues for me to be in a downtrend. We talked about it, I think, in the last video. We were still in this channel. Mentioned to you that this was only a three-wave structure to the upside. Looked to me like a wave 4. I think this so far has proven to be correct. Yeah, because from the high, which was printed here at around about 45 cents, we came down in a wave 1, moved up in a 2. Just need to readjust that here. 1, 2, 3. This here the 4, and then the 5 still unfolding right now. And then in this wave 5, we can see the sub waves, 5 waves in wave 5 basically. And you can see here that we've had a wave 1 as well. That was here at around 29 cents on the 19th of November. A wave 2 to the upside here around 30 cents. Then we came down in a third wave on the 22nd of November to around 22 cents. Sideways movement in a wave 4. Here, unfortunately, there are several possibilities. I mean, it could be the wave 4 is now done with this kind of weird structure. Don't really think it is yet. On the other hand, that move down looks quite impulsive, so it could be done. And then we move now up, basically, or let me show you what's possible. So could be that in this wave 5 then, yeah, which is a 5-wave move in itself again, this was a 1, here a 2, a 3 to follow, a 4 up, and a 5 down. If that is the case, then we can formulate a target for the wave 3 in green. That would be the 1.618 extension at 21 cents. And then to really finish off this overall 5-wave move down, we're looking at the area around 18 to 20 cents here. Yeah. So I think that is a very, very valid target as it looks at the moment. But as I said, the wave 4 might still be ongoing. And the reason is we have not broken below the low from the 22nd of November. So wave 4 could still be ongoing. We don't know that. We will only get this view really as soon as we break below the low from the 22nd of November, the wave 3 low. That would be a confirmation that wave 5 is starting. Until then, we only have indications really, right? Especially because the wave 4 so far has been very shallow. So as you know, the ideal target for a wave 4 is normally the 38.2% FIB level at 25.5 cents. We haven't reached that yet. So we need to be ready that wave 4 might still be unfolding. And that in wave 4, we've really only seen here something like A, B, and the wave C might be running now. Yeah. And then you've got here your possibly 1, 2, or no, one small 1, 2 here, and then maybe wave 3 of C is still unfolding, 4 and 5 as well, because a wave C has 5 waves in itself, but it doesn't matter. The main point here is that wave 4 could stretch ideally to 25.5 cents. Maximum would be 26.5. That means if we get above 26.5 cents, we can explore more bullish options, okay? Because the wave 4 would normally not go above this level. It would then have to be something different, probably something more bullish. For now, I allow Algorand to go a bit higher here, so I would only really change my view about this higher level wave count if we get above 26.5 cents. Until then, my view is focus on the downside, understanding that higher prices are possible short term, all the way up to 26.5 cents, ideally to 25.5. And a breakout point and indication that we actually get there to these short-term higher prices. That would be a breakout above, 25 cents. As long as we stay below that, the focus can be imminently on the downside, okay? But a breakout here would change it to short-term upside, but then down. I don't really see the bullish breakout from here, but I would consider it above 26.5 cents. That should be clear. Looking generally at the indicators, RSI, especially on the 4-hour and the daily, they show pretty much neutral. So they do support both outcomes here. Short-term upside and then down, or down straight away. They're not oversold immediately. For example, if the indicator was oversold already, I would rather say that we will, with a greater certainty, see those short-term higher prices, but they are pretty much neutral. So we just need to wait and see here, I think. But generally the trend is still down for me, yeah, for Algorand. And it has been for a while, and I think this was a good call. Okay, and this is my update about Algorand. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.